Hi you guys, welcome to Chanel Family Fun TV. And today we have a giant soda can. We have this giant Poopsie Sparkly Critters soda can. You guys, I think I did an awesome job. How do you like this? I did kind of like did alright. I didn't have time to spray paint, but I should have did a dye of this, but what do you guys think? What do you think, Dad? You think it came out good?
I think it's pretty awesome.
So you guys, leave a comment in the box below and let me know what you think of my big box. Or my big can, right? This is my lid. Oh, look at what do we have here. You guys, hey, I think I got something. Oh, hold up. Mama got to get in there because Mama's short.
Whoa.
That's it. Look what Dad left me. So I can get me some more Poopsie Critters. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Like I'm just playing. Alright, you guys, let me put my lid back on my big can. Sit it over here. Gosh, let me see how much I got. 100, 20, 40 bucks. For me some more Poopsie Critters. See, this is super cute. So, let me get to unboxing one of these cans. So how was everybody else's day? Happy Martin Luther King. Today is my son's birthday. His birthday is the same day as Martin Luther King's birthday. So I was out getting some things right for his birthday. And he's artistic, so he doesn't talk at all. So you know, I like to raise money. We like to raise money for autism awareness. But he really enjoyed his day today. I can't believe I made this big Poopsie Critter can. OMG. And yes, I know I always say Miracle's not feeling well, but she really, really, really is not feeling well. I don't know if she doesn't want to go to school tomorrow. But she took the cover photo with me, but I didn't get a rare. Let me see who I got. Super mad. I hope it's not the same one. OMG! I'm going to show you guys in a minute. I'm going to show you in a minute who I got. But first, let me make this slime. Oh, I forgot. You got to open the doll. Dad, where are we? So you guys, I know I didn't get a rare because it came with the unicorn magic. And it came with the unicorn shimmer. So let's just take this off. This is my slime I made the other night from the barbecue. Forgot which one I got the other night. I think it was cinnamon, right, Dad? It was cinnamon, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I can say the Poopsie slime is, I don't know what to say. It's like, it's not so scratchy, even though you get a little pack to keep it in. But let me go ahead and unbox this Poopsie Surprise Sparkly Critter. OMG, Dad, I really like my big can, my big soda can. Super cute. So this is the moment everybody been waiting for. Will you say Papa? All right, you guys. Who do you think I got? So many to choose from. Oh! Who did I get? I got a rare. Hey, I got a rare. Hey, I got a rare. Hey, look, my baby feeling good. You want to join mommy? My baby feeling good. You want to join me? I got a rare. Hey, my baby's feeling a little bit better, y'all. Say hi, Miracle.
Hi.
She's feeling a little bit better. I asked her if she want to join me. She said no. I got an orange filter. OMG, I got a rare. So she poops, you guys. OMG. Let's go ahead and feed her.
Aww.
Oh gosh, you guys. Let me feed her. You want to watch me feed her, Miracle? Watch this. Oh gosh, you guys, how am I going to feed? Oh, and I got Bubbles.
Bubble.
I want Oopsie Starlight and Cheeky, Rainbow Bright Star. Of course, I want her and Oopsie Starlight. Did we get Stripes already? No, we don't have Stripes. So we got Cinnamon, and we got Fleece. We got Fleece, Cinnamon. We got 3 of them already. Cinnamon, Fleece, Bubbles, and I don't know who the other one is we got. Flutter. Yeah, we got that ugly black one. We got Flutter right there.
I think so.
That real black one. That's the ugly one. All right, you guys. So let me feed my unicorn. Dad, is it straight? Just sitting straight? Okay. So you guys, I'm about to feed her. Oh, cute little Fanta soda can. Let me move this out the way. All of these closed up things right here. Oh, now I shake her. Oh, I got to cover her mouth. Come on. Come stand right beside me. You want to stand beside me? Come on. Come on, Chanel. Come on, baby. So Miracle is about to join me, you guys. Leave your can right there. All right, Miracle. Go ahead and make her poop.
Okay.
Oh!
No, it looks
She's
like...
supposed to boo-boo.
No, are you...
Oh! Gosh.
What?
She got a hole, but it came out her mouth. What the heck?
Why is it clear?
That's what color her slime is.
Mickey. Yes, you can do it.
Yeah, that's what color. Dad, can you get us something right quick like? Dad, get us something right quick like. Cut it. Cut it. Woo! Cut it. You guys, so it's now, hold on, let me say my favorite song. Cut it. Cut it. Bloop, cut it. It's like
It's
I'm just
actually me and Shay song. Can I play
okay,
that?
that's Miracle song. Cut it. Cut it. Whoop. Cut it. Oh, let me say my favorite slogan. You can't beat me. I'm the gingerbread man. I don't know why I like that little thing. OMG.
My baby, blue, blue. I love blue.
So you guys, should I say my A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, cause I love me. So we got Bubbles. I love Miracle. We got the Fanta drink. Bubbles is super cute. She's a rare. So wait a minute. We got a rare. We got an ultra rare cinnamon. Then we got the rare, which is this one. Then we got flutter too. We got cinnamon too, right? So we already got all the rares. Just wait a minute. What's up? What's popping? Man, so we got cinnamon.
I'm gonna let that sit and form real quick.
Oh, we got fleece. Fleece was our first one, ain't it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
So we got
No,
ultra
we got
rare.
her first.
Oh, we got an ultra rare. Then we got
Mom, we got her first.
rare. Okay.
And then we got. Wait, turn it around.
Then we got him.
No.
A rare. We do got that black one.
Yeah,
That dark
then
skin
we
one.
got him, and then we got.
Her. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, let me count.
Yeah, we got 4. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
2,
1,
2, 3.
4.
No, 4.
4.
4 is right there. So we got 4. And
Mom,
out of our 4.
I'm gonna let that sit.
So out of our 4, we got 3 rare and 1 ultra rare. I think we did awesome.
Mom, I'm gonna let that form real quick. It's almost done.
Oh, dang, Dang, Dad. So the only ones we missing is 1, 2.
No, we're missing.
No, I'm talking about like rares and ultra rares. Wait a minute, Miracle.
Mom, can
Hold
I
up.
count too?
1, 2, 3,
Mom, let me count too.
4, 5.
Mom, we already got her.
I'm at 4. We only missing 5 of the rares, ultra rares altogether.
Mom, but
What we missing?
we need these too.
Chanel slime is coming together.
I don't mix it yet.
Can I show them
They're
your pretty
taking
blue?
all of it out.
Okay. You guys, look at Miracle Pretty Blue Slime. They should give us some more slime, though. But I guess for 15 bucks,
2,
this is nice.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Mama, stop it.
Oh.
Should I get it up? Okay, here.
You sure it's sticky on your hands, Miracle? Let it form. So you guys, Miracle's not going to be able to play with it right now in her video because we have to wait actually 15 minutes. Put it on my face. You guys, look at my blue face. Is it blue, Dad?
Let me mix it in.
Well, Miracle, we got this on one of our
I said
Mom
it
Can't Say
for-
No videos. And this was not supposed to be for video. I think I might let, since she's been a good girl tonight, I might let her unbox this tonight. Again, it was supposed to be for a video, but it's not for a video anymore.
No, I said that was
Miracle doesn't want it to be, but this is old. We got this a couple of months ago.
I think it was last year or something.
It was last year. Last year around October when we did our Mom Can't Say No video.
I think.
Like second video like that.
Stop it. No. Mommy. Baby, can I stick?
Baby, you making a mess. Baby, you making a mess. Want to play with this while that's forming?
Yeah. But I wish we had
And the first ticket was
But
what,
I
baby?
really wanted the pink one. I really wanted
Attention.
I really wanted to play with the pink one.
Well, we'll get that pink one because we're going to keep unboxing until we get all of them. And yeah, thanks, Dad. And hold up, let me give you something, Miracle. This is for you some more Poopsie unicorns. This is for making the E-roll at school.
I don't know.
What you want to buy with it? Tell me what you want to buy. Tell your friends what you want to buy. Roblox, money, gems.
No,
What?
I want to buy. Wait, can I do something back here?
No, just
Okay, wait, Miracle. Let's tell them buy first.
Wait.
So she don't know what you want to buy yet.
Wait.
Tell me. Tell them. We
Yes.
got to go, Miracle. Let's tell them thanks for watching. Don't get up with your pretty dress on. Roblox gems.
I want 100 gems.
She want 100 gems.
Wait, I was just kidding.
I had to bend down to see
I
what
was
was going
just
on.
kidding. I want 50. I want 50 gems.
50,000. Okay. You guys, I'm going to give Miracle some. She's about to play Roblox. We want to what? Thank you for watching Chanel Family Fun TV and watching our giant die